Welcome to our guide on using DaVinci Resolve 19. Today, we will explore the powerful capabilities of its neural engine and how it can transform your editing experience. DaVinci Resolve 19 introduces several AI-powered editing features that make your workflow more efficient and your edits more professional. To start using the neural engine features, you'll first need to set up DaVinci Resolve 19. Let's walk through the necessary settings. Smart Reframe is a game changer for frame cropping and adjustments. It automatically detects subjects and keeps them in focus. With the auto color and color matching tools, achieving vibrant visuals has never been easier. Let's explore these features. The neural engine's facial recognition capabilities allow for easy tagging and organization of your clips, saving you valuable time. Scene cut detection streamlines your workflow by automatically identifying scene changes in your footage. Leveraging AI-based audio features enhances sound quality and makes audio editing seamless and efficient. To get the best performance from the neural engine, here are some best practices for optimizing your setup. As we conclude this guide, the potential for AI-powered editing is exciting. Get ready to unlock new possibilities with DaVinci Resolve.